Good morning, party people. I am still in the eastern Pennsylvania area. I will find out today if they need me to stay another night. These 3 or 4 Volvos have enough work to keep me busy for a month. It's just how it is, man. These things, you can drive them with a lot wrong with them. You can keep driving them, or you can choose to get them maintenance and repaired. It's up to you. You know, I got the videos there. You can do it yourself. If there are some things that are a little more challenging for you, I'm glad to stop by and help if I'm in the area, or you can afford to have me come to the area. So that's where we're at. They have, man, a lot going on with these Volvos. We got some done yesterday. We went back to the salvage yard, got a lot of great parts. Probably saved these folks $600-700 in parts we got. Got some things on. You know, if you're having climate control issues, sometimes just plugging this Volvo tool in causes that stuff to start working right. I plug it in, I tell it to go to climate control. It says, hey, the climate control master's connected. Y'all better act right. And that stuff just starts acting right. Air conditioning, blend door motors start synchronizing. It checks a couple things, grabs a couple people by the collar, shakes them. Act right. You're supposed to act right. Stuff just starts working. You know, it's happened several times. I've seen it before, you know, a few years ago before I even got that tool. Somebody saying they didn't have AC on one side of the car. Plug the machine in and say, hey, act right. Stuff just starts acting right. Anyway, I'll know by 10 o'clock if I'm going to stay another day, you know. Unfortunately, this is not a free country. Everybody is charging for things to keep the economy going. Keep their kids in college. Keep food on the table. Just the way it is. So, after I leave here, I'm going straight to get rid of this engine. Do you hear me, Gregory? I'm bringing this engine to you. And then we'll go from there, helping as many people as I can. So, stay in touch, stay tuned. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Sad to say I didn't get much footage done yesterday. Real busy trying to get stuff done, not getting a lot of footage. I probably need to find one of my miniature tripods and set my camera up and just let that thing roll and, you know, edit stuff out of it. But, you know, it takes a long time to edit that standstill footage. I don't have nobody sitting around that can do that for me. They would need grocery store money too. So anyway, hope you enjoyed today's video, and if I'm supposed to help you, hope to see you soon. Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert. That's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. Kicking off the morning, had my walk, arrived at my daughter's place. Got to get my stuff loaded up so I can get out of here. First thing I'm going to do is put a Big Henry on the charger, man. I haven't charged this thing once. Since I got it, I charged it up. That's it. But I want to leave with a strong battery pack. But man, this thing, I got a battery tester here, and it said I still got 3 bars on that thing, even though I've used it a bunch of times. So I'm gonna charge that battery up while I load the car up, get this car loaded up so I can get out of here with Dark Cherry. Now this engine's been in the back of my car for probably 5 days or more. But man, you know you got a bad PCV when it pops the oil dipstick out just sitting in the back of the car, not even hooked up. It's crazy. I'm going to start this off by putting my carrier back on top. Man, it'd been nice if I could have cleaned the top of this car before I threw this up here. But I'm going to put my rooftop carrier on so I can load that thing up and go from there. I think I could get that up there by myself without scratching up the car. I have one of Diane's spare heated blankets. I'm going to use that, try to protect the paint, get over on the side of this thing and try to slide it up over there and get it on there. Let's see how it works. Probably had to take a break after I break a sweat putting that up there. About 30 seconds later, it is in place, people. Wasn't that bad. My daughter and her friends out of town, so sometimes you got to do stuff by yourself. See if I can adjust these bars. That thing looks like I got 2 inches there and it's touching here. So I need to move one of these bars, either this one forward or this one back, to get this thing where it'll lock in evenly. I'm going to try to move this back one forward. Let's see how that works. Got it up and secure. Didn't have to move my load bars. The clamps can slide forward and back inside the unit. So I should be good to go. Ready to load this thing up. I wanted to move it forward a little bit to shift the weight forward. So I'm going to put the nasty stuff up there, put the other stuff inside. I'm all done for here for now. I got all I could. I'm going to sit this down. Well, I got my t-shirts, my cars, and my drone. And get out of here for now. And hook that car up. Then we'll be all done here. 10:22. Panther on the toe. Man, that seems pretty low. That is very low. Climbing a mountain. 250 degrees coolant temp. In Pennsylvania, this is crazy. Towing this car. Oil temps all the way up to 260 climbing that crazy mountain. Southern Pennsylvania on Highway 40. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.